Sumo 75 XL Desert Air Cooler. It is available in white and grey color variants. The air cooler is appropriate for rooms up to an area of 37 square meters under optimal conditions. Enjoy a comfortable environment with the specialized Plus Air fan provides strong, uniform airflow that rapidly lowers the room's temperature. The ergonomic design of the dial knobs makes it easy to operate while enhancing its modern and elegant appearance. This air cooler uses fresh living with iPure technology and specialized filters to eliminate air pollution, odor-causing microbes, and allergens. The long-lasting Dura pump and honeycomb cooling pads in this air cooler help distribute the water and air evenly and effectively. This cooler comes with a 75-liter water tank with a water level indicator, providing ample water for long-lasting cooling. The air panels are designed to move automatically, providing even air circulation throughout the room. Keep your doors and windows open for optimal cooling. This home air cooler uses only about 190 watts of energy and works with inverters. The box includes the air cooler, 4 caster wheels, 4 legs and easy fill pipe. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.
The heat this year is scorching. Like many parts of India, Bangalore, where I live, has had average temperatures 3 to 4 degrees higher than usual. And an air cooler is a good cost-effective option to beat the heat. Let's start with the most important aspect of an air cooler, the cooling efficiency. The Symphony Sumo 75 XL is a desert air cooler that is useful for large rooms, up to 400 square feet, like living rooms, living plus dining rooms. With an impressive air throw up to 28 feet, it is useful for both indoor and outdoor usage. You can easily use it in your living room, bedroom, offices, or even in the balcony. When used in temperatures up to 40 degrees Celsius, this Symphony Sumo 75 XL is able to cool the room fairly quickly when the room is kept well ventilated. It uses a fan instead of a blower and has 3 fan speeds which can be used to cool the room faster. Keeping the mic at a safe distance, let's hear the noise level at different speeds. With 3-side honeycomb cooling pads and a cool flow dispenser, the Symphony Sumo 75 XL is able to distribute water and hence cool air evenly on all sides. In addition, with the iPure technology, this air cooler also helps to purify the air to a certain extent with the multi-stage smell, allergy, bacteria and PM 2.5 filter. Since air coolers need to be refilled frequently, let's discuss the frequency and ease of refilling aspects of this air cooler. With a large tank capacity of 75 liters, the Symphony Sumo 75 XL can run for longer without needing a refill, perfect for uninterrupted cooling and sound sleep throughout the night. The water level indicator at the bottom shows when it is due for a refill. And when a refill is required, it can easily be refilled using the easy fill pipe that comes with the cooler, which is unique to this air cooler, making refilling a breeze. It also has a wider inlet if you choose to fill water manually. The same inlet can be used to add ice cubes into the air cooler as well to cool your room faster. It also has an overflow outlet at the back of the air cooler which drains the extra water, and there's also a drain outlet at the bottom to completely drain out the water. Remember to drain out the water completely before storing it away. Let's look at the ease of use and maintenance aspects of this air cooler. The Symphony Sumo 75 XL comes with caster wheels at the bottom that make it easy to move the air cooler around without any issue. It is, however, recommended to move the air cooler when it is not full with water to avoid spills and damage to the caster wheels. It consumes low power, only 190 watts per hour, equivalent of approximately 2 fans running simultaneously. So it can easily run on an inverter as well. The honeycomb cooling pads are washable and hence long lasting. This air cooler comes with auto swing. The horizontal lures can be manually adjusted and set into position. It has 3 modes of operation. Cool only, where swing will be turned off and cooling will be on. Cool with swing, and swing only mode where the pump or cooling will be turned off while the swing will be on. If you're seeking relief from the scorching summer heat with a cost-effective cooling solution, the Symphony Sumo 75 XL offers the perfect blend of performance and convenience. With a 1-year warranty on the product, this Symphony Sumo 75 XL Desert Air Cooler is one of the best options to get a cool rim gym feeling in the summer in large, well-ventilated rooms up to 400 square feet.